Hose Hawk Pro review. Is this product gonna be worth it? So first of all, this product is advertised as a hose attachment, and it can turn apparently a normal garden hose into a pressure washer style cleaner. The main thing to know is that it may improve the spray focus, but it cannot truly replace a real or electric kind of gas pressure washer because it has no motor or pump to create real pressure. It's basically just a nozzle change. And Hose Hawk Pro is sold as a lightweight nozzle attachment with multiple spray models and a rotating head. The listings claim it can help clean cars, patios, decks, windows, and outdoor furniture, but the product appears to rely on your home's existing water pressure. So there's also very limited trustworthy independent testing, and if you take a look at the reviews it is very, very low. 1 star. Take a look at the same products over here, I suppose. I don't think this is the same one, but for the Hose Hawk pressure, 1.5 out of 5 out of 77 global ratings, and that itself is definitely not a good thing. So if we could say any pros, it would probably be that it's easy to attach to a garden hose, it's lightweight and cheaper than a real pressure washer, obviously, and useful for light rinsing. But the cons, it's going to be very unpressured, or it does not create true pressure, I mean. So the big PCI style claims from the ads, it looks like, wow, it's gonna clean the entire wheel of the car. That is not gonna depend on the extension itself. It's gonna depend on your home pressure washer, and it won't just make your water pressure that strong out of nowhere. That's not gonna be physically possible. So there's definitely weak independent proof and lots of negative feedback already, and similar products are sold under different listings, which makes the brand less trustworthy. So as a final verdict, Hose Hawk Pro is not worth it. If you expect real pressure washer performance, it may be okay as a basic hose nozzle for light cleaning, but for driveways, heavy grime, mold, or deep stains, or this car wheel, it's not gonna be worth it. So it's overhyped, only worth considering if it's very cheap and you understand it's just a hose attachment. But hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.